I really felt the need to share this pool because it has been the hit of our summer and we have friends visit all the time now, and it's been even easier to maintain than I imagined. We only made a few tweaks and I'll share those in just a second. But if you're wondering how long it takes to fill up with a hose, it did take about a day and a half, but that's honestly not bad at all. It came with a filter pump, a ladder, and the pool cover. I love that the ladder is easily removable and we take it out if we're not using it so that no one can climb in without us knowing. It was honestly a lot easier to set up than I thought it would be, and the takedown is just as easy. No tools are required to connect the hose to the flow control valve when we drain out the pool. The steel frame is held together with a seal and lock system for incredible strength and a Tri-Tech liner for reinforced strength to resist punctures. And I have just suggested this to everyone that we know. One minor thing we did change was we did get a solar cover. Also found the solar cover helped when keeping the water warmer as well.